Hi, I'm Melissa. This is the TFY Universal Headrest Mount, which can be used with 5 to 10.5-inch screen devices, including iPhone, iPad Air, Samsung Galaxy, Tab, Nintendo Switch, and a range of other devices with or without fitted cases. The mount is comprised of a durable, stain-resistant headrest strap which wraps around seat headrests in cars, planes and trains, plus a rotatable device holder sewn securely onto the headrest strap. The holder has 3 selectable clamps to suit a range of devices. The clamps allow full access to device buttons and ports, whilst maintaining holding tension during travel. Once the headrest strap is fitted, it may be left permanently in place. Alternatively, it may be stored between uses. The headrest mount is also transferable between vehicles. This TFY Universal Headrest Mount enables your child or an adult passenger to watch a movie, play a game, or otherwise use the device whilst travelling. The installation and operating instructions supplied are simple and easy to follow. Get yours now.